The Good Water Company presents My Water Pledge. My Water Pledge looks to instill in Singaporeans an appreciation of water security in Singapore, a strong sense of awareness and pride in our water journey, that water scarcity and conservation are critical issues globally. Hi there! Do you know how precious water is? Let's take a short trip down memory lane. Singapore signed two important water agreements with Malaysia between 1961 and 1962. In 1963, Singapore suffered one of its worst droughts. Water rationing was introduced in April 1963 and lifted in February 1964. The Public Utilities Board was set up in May 1963 to coordinate the supply of water, electricity, and piped gas as it recognized the critical importance to build up water sources and storage capacity. In December 1969, Singapore was again hit by severe floods. In 1971, a water planning unit was set up under the Prime Minister's office to study the feasibility of new unconventional sources such as water reuse and desalination. The first water master plan was drawn up in 1972 with a focus on creating urbanized catchments while keeping a close watch on water reuse and desalination. The Singapore River cleanup took place in the 1970s. At the same time, studies on used water campaigns raised public awareness for water conservation. New water was introduced in 2002 after 30 years of hard work and innovation. The completion of Marina, Punggol, and Serangoon reservoirs in 2009 means that 2/3 of our island is now a water catchment area. Our first water agreement with Malaysia expired in August 2011. Between 1970 and 2014, flood-prone areas in Singapore have been reduced from 32 square kilometers to 0.36 square kilometers. A record dry spell that began from end 2013 ended in February 2014. Water is precious. Every drop counts. Here are 3 simple ways we can conserve water. Tip 1. Keep showers under 5 minutes and turn off the tap while soaping. By doing so, you can save up to 1,000 gallons of water per month. Tip 2. Let's reuse water today. For instance, we can reuse water from the washing machine for flushing the toilet and water from rinsing fruits and vegetables to water houseplants. Tip 3. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth and use a cup for rinsing. Water conservation is everyone's responsibility. Let's all do our part to ensure a sustainable water supply for the next generation. Happy 50th birthday, Singapore!